Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
April, stop! What are you doing? April, wait! Shovels are for suckers, man.
What?
Yeah, who you gonna call? So you have to admit, April, that was way easier than shoveling, right? Admit
Way
it.
easier.
Absolutely.
Way easier.
But here's the thing. April just told me this a little bit ago. She said, yeah, Steve, that works fine for like 2 inches of snow. Nice, light, fluffy snow, right? You can't let that build up a foot deep, 2 feet deep. That backpack blower is not going to work for that, especially if it gets packed down with the tires on your car or when you're walking on it, right?
Or wet snow.
Or wet, oh, absolutely, or wet snow too, yeah. But if you keep on top of it, as the snow's coming down, it's so much easier than shoveling 2 feet tomorrow.
That's right. Nice and light and fluffy snow. That works awesome.
Yep, it really does. And you saw the proof out there. That works just absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed that video, everybody. Till the next time, April and Steve out.